got a police truck, but it's not a real police truck. It's like one of those silly police trucks. Oh boy, those people are totally about to those cops saw me late splitting. Fuck that. Fuck that. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog e-vlog. Is this person taking a left or a right or both? Hard to tell. It's a hard decision to make. There's PoPo right there. This one time I was actually cruising right here and I was like being aggro with the fucking tourists, and the cops actually told me to fucking slow down, like calm down. I appreciate that, because they could have pointed at me. Oh fucking hell, look at this. They could have pointed at me and told me to pull the fuck over and give me a ticket. Fucking pigs. No, I don't hate the cops. I like the cops. I only hate the cops when they do something fucked up, like you know, shoot innocent people. But that's another topic I won't discuss because, you know, it's too political and what do you call it, yeah, it's too much. Because last time I spoke about our President Trump, people got upset. So let me not pepper this vlog of silly motorcycle riding with serious topics of, you know, fucking hate crimes and racism. But you know, that's a whole nother bucket of bananas. I don't know why I got off on that kind of tangent. Forget it. But I tell you one motherfucking thing, it's fucking Friday. Yes, it is motherfucking Friday for sure, and nobody can change that. And look at that dumbass in the Prius over there. You can't really see him, but he's parked like a Momo bird. He literally is taking up 2 lanes. It's okay, people make mistakes, people are confused, and you know, sometimes you have to make adjustments. All good. Here we go. And it's dripping wet over here, but it's okay. I don't really care about a little moisture or wet. And look at this person, he's not even pulling up. Freaking awkward people. Oh, this guy went wide. I respect that. That's fine. Let's all calm down. We're too worked up. What am I exactly worked up about? I don't even freaking know anymore. I don't remember. Something I'm worked up about. There's something that just happened in my life that kind of like I was totally like singing songs and being chill, and then something happened, but I don't remember what. Maybe it's the fact that people are driving like bananas. Am I driving like a banana? Maybe, I fucking don't know. It's hard to tell nowadays, because everybody's driving like a banana. What exactly does a banana drive like, you ask? Simple. I'll explain it. That's Fort Greene, by the way. I used to live there. But banana drives, like, think about a banana. You got the peel, and you got the stuff on the inside. Alright, you know what? I can't come up with this right now. I was gonna bullshit you guys and come up with some shit. I don't have it in me right now. Can't even squeeze past these people because of this big-ass truck. I'm just gonna have to do it by the busy book. Bookie book. Come on, bro. Don't move. Oh, I love these trucks, though. That's like some Terminator 2 shit. Like the trucks with the flat face. I wonder how they ever became, like, popular or whatnot. Because aerodynamically, they don't make any freaking sense. person was not trying to make that light, yet he was trying to stop me from getting it. Savage. A little salt here, so I might as well talk it easy. Is this guy taking a left, right, or what? No turn signal, you fuck. What a jerk off. That's why turn signals are important, is tell people where you want to go. And this person does not see the line, so it's alright. I'll just pull up to it. Because obviously he doesn't need to get anywhere. Weird. I don't know why they're standing there. Who knows? Yep, we're just cruising. This person from Pennsylvania is taking it easy. He's taking a right. You know, it's like, let him be. Because he doesn't know any better. Oh shit! I am so fucking lucky. I can't ever bitch and complain. I mean, don't get me wrong. I bitch and complain all the freaking time. But goddamn, look at this beauty. Look at the blessings I'm faced with. I'm in New York City right now. I'm on a precious bike. Cruising. I could never complain. God's Plan. God's Plan. I've been listening to freaking God's Plan by Drizzy. And, yeah. I agree with him. That be wishing and wishing and wishing on me. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. You know? What are you doing, dude? Amateur driver going like 10 miles per hour. I'll go around him. Terrible. The things just went sour. Things went sour. I wonder why there's like traffic here. What's happening? Smell some marijuana. Some people be smoking. Why is there traffic here? What is the holdup? Are people really going up 6th Avenue the wrong way? They don't give no fucks, do they? Oh, they're rerouting all traffic because there's a construction going on here. Alright, fair enough. We can take a right. Not a problem. Not a problem. Georgia. Can I squeeze right here or should I squeeze on the right? I mean, we'll see. I'll squeeze on the right, I think. I think I'll do the squeezing. Ah, this guy's gonna squeeze me in, you son of a bitch. You fucking bastard. And then we got a police truck. But it's not a real police truck. It's like one of those silly police trucks. Oh boy, those people are totally about to those cops saw me lane splitting. Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh boy. Things fell apart. There came a point where things fell apart. And I became a savage. Anywho, life goes on. Everything is okay, except for my impatience. Beyond that, everything is gravy. Mucho grande. What's happening here? Nobody knows. It's hard to tell. Trucks move slow. That's just their nature. Do I dare go in a bike lane? Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Look at this Maserati. It's pretty beautiful. I do like it. And look at this guy creating extra traffic. Silly bastard. All right, here we go. We're almost there. With any luck. With any freaking luck. Hello. What do we got here? Turn signals. This, that. Should I take a left here? Is there a light at the end of this rainbow? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna go this way. Gave it a little bit of beans. No hands. It's fine. Going straight some more. And we are in Wheelyburg. Wheelyburg. God's plan. Oh, look at this. This is gonna be dope. Yes! They're gonna build some big ass buildings here with some parks. It's gonna be some shit, bro. Are you going? No? Alright guys, well, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye now.